Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha Owens and I'm Side Hustle Keisha. On this channel, I'll be doing videos and tips showing you ways you can make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and some cool side hustles. I'm starting a series and this will be the first video for the first series of opportunities for you to make money from home with a home-based business. And I'll share with you either zero low cost startup, so under $200 to $0 that you have to do to invest to start with the company, right? So I want to share that with you because I do believe in home-based business, multi-level marketing companies. I think it's a great place. If you've never had a business before, it's a great place to start, because if you can start there and be successful and be consistent and make money a month, I think it's a great opportunity to for someone who is trying to learn how to interact as a owner, or taking ownership of a business and working it and being consistent and making some money. So I had a cool opportunity to meet someone who was actually my neighbor and in my community, and she is a Mary Kay representative, and her name is Sharon Rucker. And she met with me. We were just really networking, and she wasn't pushy at all. I've done Mary Kay before. I think I was like 2021 when I did Mary Kay. And I loved, someone did a party. I went, I love the products. It was lightweight on my face. I liked the way my skin felt when the makeup was on. I liked the way it looked. It wasn't itchy. And I had tried a lot of other products out there. And I actually have Mary Kay on today. So anyway, she reached out to me. We were going to just do some networking. And then recently I had a birthday in January. She reached out. She said, "Hey, Keisha, I'd like to offer you a birthday gift. And, I like to host a birthday beauty session for you. And would you like to host that event?" And I said, "Sure." She said, "You get X amount of dollars off on your next, if you want, you do when you make your order." So I was like, cool. We're bored in the house bored. And we needed some girl time. We needed some self-care time. It made sense. And I could use some products, right? So it was just a no-brainer for me. She reached out to me and she hosted a virtual party. So that intrigued me, because when I used to do Mary Kay, I used to lug the suitcase around and go to different parties. And it's so much easier now with, I mean, literally, that was 20 something years, over 26 years ago, when I was in Mary Kay. So I'll say about 24 years ago when I was in Mary Kay, and things have definitely changed to make it really easy for you to work a business and be successful working a business from the comfort of your home. So I just want to share that with you. Just go into Mary Kay. You know the brand. A lot of people should know the brand, but I'm going to go into the brand just to really quickly, so you guys know that Mary Kay's been around for over 50 years, okay? And their mission is enriching the lives of women and their families around the world. And you know, the company was started by Mary Kay Ash, and it's just an amazing company. So you can meet some of the leaders and read their bios. You come here. I'm going to put the link to this Sharon's page in the description box, so you guys can go right over. The way she did this beauty session was so much fun. I want to share that with you, so stay to the end, okay? She went over it was just so much fun. And the way she set the whole party up, I just want you to hear how she set the party up, because when you're trying to operate in this climate, you're going to have to be strategic. We can't go to network events, which I love, by the way. A lot of chamber events have been canceled. A lot of vendor booth opportunities have been canceled, but she worked this like a pro from the comfort of her home. And I want to share that with you. And I definitely, if you're interested, I want you to definitely connect with her, because that will be a great leader for you to partner with, right? So let's go over to, I want to go over to the opportunity. So grow your own way. Find out how Mary Kay opportunity fits your life. So you know, Mary Kay is skincare, makeup, it's just an amazing company, and they have tools for you to use to apply those things and use their skincare line. It's just an amazing brand. So starting is easy. All you would need to do is connect with the Mary Kay independent consultant, sign and submit an independent beauty consultant agreement, choose your starter kit, and start having fun. So their startup is just $30. If you don't want any product and you just want to start and push the product from online. But if you want to have a little bit more success, let me just read to you what the startup kit includes. Personalized website subscription for 1 year, perfect for sharing your business, access to ProPay for 1 year, to securely processed credit cards and debit cards, access to your back office through the Mary Kay In Touch website, free apps to help you sell Mary Kay products anytime, anywhere, online step-by-step education to help you grow as you go, digital marketing resources that give you branded advantage, customer support that offers professional help services. So this packet, the next starter kit is $130. So it offers you the same things above, but you're going to get full-size products and samples valued at $400. It's a no-brainer, right? Free apps to help you sell Mary Kay, and you're going to get online step-by-step education to help you grow and go, customer support that offers professional helpful services, access to your back office through the Mary Kay In Touch website, literature and educational materials, digital marketing resources that give you a branded advantage, right? And you definitely need that if you're going to maintain in this season that we're in, especially during this pandemic. An awesome opportunity. The fun is a bonus. Purpose and passion, exciting incentives. You can earn up to 50% on everything that you sell. If you build a team, you could earn product rewards and monetary bonuses, plus a commission based on the team members' product sales. Put yourself in the driver's seat with the opportunity to earn and use Mary Kay Career Car, one of the best in-class car incentive programs. And y'all already seen the pink Cadillacs rolling through your town. I've seen them for years. So we already know they have that, and it's real because you see people in the vehicles. Powerful products fall for more than 300 beauty products like innovative skincare, on-trend cosmetics, body care, and fragrances. Feel confident that Mary Kay conducts hundreds and thousands of product tests each year for quality, safety, and performance. Okay, so let me just jump over to the Facebook page she created for me. Now, this is the key. This was the key to the success of the virtual party. So the virtual party, we thought at first we were all going to be on a Zoom together doing this makeup, but she wanted everybody to feel comfortable. And she just said, join me for a live, and you do it from the comfort of your home. You don't have to turn on your cameras. We don't have to see you. And that was cool. But we want to do another one with our cousins, and we're all comfortable with one another. So we don't care about being on Zoom with no makeup on and putting on skincare mask and any of that. So we're going to be doing another one with her in the next month. So I just wanted to show you how she set up this virtual beauty session for us. And I invited my friends. They came, they purchased. She posted, we had about 3 to 4 weeks because I pushed the event out because I wanted time enough to give people time to plan to attend and to get their packets mailed, because all my friends weren't local to Sharon and I. So she just kept posting. She gave away different gifts. She did this will thing just for participating, not for purchasing, for participating. So it just got people engaged, and this is me showing my purchase coming in the mail. This is my sister showing her purchase coming in the mail, and she just posted motivational things. She did giveaways. She thanked us. She provided us with more information about different products and different opportunities if you were interested in doing the Mary Kay. But just think, she sat from her comfort home. I don't even think we were on this video for an hour. If we were over the hour, it's because we were having fun. And she made cool money. And then the people who didn't attend could come back and watch the video, do their packet from the comfort of their home, and order from her. So you do 2 or 3 parties, you never leave your house on a Saturday, and you might not work during the week. And that might gain you might have a quick $500 Saturday or $1,000 Saturday. And if you're looking just for a little extra and to slowly grow and hit goals, 500, say you want a 750 weekend, you want 1,000, you want a 1,500, you'll get to a point where you could grow the business to do that. And there's different ways you can do that. So I'm going to give you tips as a marketer, right? So if I was in Mary Kay, of course, I'd be going live from my Facebook page, Instagram, whatever you're on, YouTube, and I do a product review a day. I have $400 worth of products. I join. I can review each product every day and invite people to do a beauty session with me, get 5, 10, 20 of their friends, and I send out the packets. So I sent out the packets, and their friends join this beauty session in their sample packets. So I don't know what the cost of that is. Sharon would be able to guide you through that, but just ideas for you to grow this particular business. I want to see you be successful. If you love makeup and you're looking to get with a brand and be behind a brand, that's been around for years and has a great reputation, this may be great opportunity for you to earn some money on the weekend or during the week, um, being a Mary Kay consultant and starting your business and being able to take advantage of having a business and taking advantage of those wonderful tax write-offs. I'm not a tax person, so I can't advise you, but I can tell you it is a great benefit to be able to do that. These eye masks, these eye masks are amazing, you guys. When you try these and put these on, they cool. Oh my God, they cool. It's just a cooling, relaxing. We had a cool self-care event. So I just wanted to encourage you guys who are in love with makeup. These masks, these are the eye patches. I'm calling them masks. Hydrogel eye patches that hydrate, cool, and soothe and depuffs. Let me tell you, these have so many great reviews from different magazines and different publications. We love these, okay? So I just want to show you the packet that she sent out to us so that you know, if you're thinking about it, you're on the fence, you're interested. I wanted to share with you the packet, and that's Sharon. And this was me taking a picture of myself and posting in the group with the mask on and the eye patches. We have fun. And she kept the party open for a week for people to take their time to do the actual, if they couldn't make it, they can actually do everything because she showed you what to use, told you what to use, and you already had it labeled. So let me show you what the packet, this is how the packet came. Cute package with all of the samples inside. And here's what was inside. You got a book, you got your game card to play tic-tac-toe, and then inside were all of the samples that we used. And it just shows the friends who had RSVP'd and said that they were coming, and we just had a great time. So if you are looking for an opportunity to make money from home and you've been worried, like, how could I do this in a pandemic? She did this. Just think if you do 3 or 4 of these. And she still made money after the event was over because people went in, came in the group and was like, I like that lip gloss. I like this. I like that. So get with Sharon. Her link to her website will be below in the description box. Tell her Keisha sent you. I don't get anything for it, you guys. I'm just going to start this series where I know a lot of people who home-based business that are very successful. They're leaders. And this is somebody you want to connect with if you are looking to do something from home and be successful. You want to copy they used to say, copy the right cat. She could help you get your first party going. After you do your first party, you're going to be better on your second, your third, fourth. By the time you get your third, fourth, fifth, you're a pro at it. And you've learned how to make money in a pandemic from home, and you probably would never leave your home again if you didn't have to, if you could sit at home on a Saturday and have 3 parties and hit $1,000. Okay, I'm not making any what do they call it, compensation claims, but listen, you could do this. If this is your passion, you're already passionate about makeup, you love makeup, you could do this. Take tips from the people who are already winning in a business. You guys, drop below in the description box. Click on Sharon's link, reach out to her phone numbers on her website. And if you also want to know, I have a free training below. If you want to know if you're in already a home-based business and you're looking for ways to get more recruits for your business, make sure you click on the link below that says free training. Also, if you're looking for a business in a box, also look at the link below that says business in a box. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you reach out to Sharon and tell her Keisha sent you. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Have a good one. Bye-bye.